Okay, I'm at the place where there's the 2004 Goodman heat pumps and the other Goodman straight cools that I filmed. And in this like outhouse sort of building, these have not been here before, but there's just these units sitting here. One Mitsubishi Mr. Slim, and 3 of these really rare York-made Mitsubishis. Look at these. I've only seen a couple of these on YouTube.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, and that's an indoor unit. Those are indoor units for this.
There's like 4 of these.
Yeah. So this must have been for this. This must have been like a multi-zone or something. So there's a bunch of like indoor air handlers right there. And then this mini split here. And then 3 of these units. I've only seen a couple of these on YouTube. I've never seen any in person. And then a bunch of line sets. Wow. These were not here before. They weren't here last time. But 3 of them sitting here on pallets. Look at this. Mitsubishi Electronics air conditioner. This is made by York. These are like York Mitsubishis. I've never seen one of these in person before. There's a compressor. It's a reciprocating compressor. Here's the data on this one. It's a 2-ton. And I'll have to decode that later. 2-ton. I'll decode it later. And this one's pretty faded. Focus. That's not focusing. There we go. This one's a 2-ton. Is it? Yep, 2-ton. And then here's the serial number. I'll decode it later. Yeah, that's cool. I wonder where these came from. They must have uninstalled them from somewhere on the property. But yeah. And then here's a Mr. Slim. Here's the fan. Here's the data sheet. This one's also a 2-ton. Wow. Cool. And then 4 like indoor units and a bunch of pads. Look at all those pads. There's a blower in there. Very interesting. So yeah, 3 Mitsubishi central air conditioners. The disconnects are mounted on them. They're right there. And a Mitsubishi Mr. Slim. Alright. Just old scrap units sitting here. Alright. Guess out.